How to get shoes on Nike app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can get shoes or order shoes from the Nike app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to order some shoes from the Nike app itself, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, make sure to just launch the Nike application as you can find it here, and then make sure you're registered and that you're also signed into your respective accounts. Then once you've made sure of all this process, what you want to do is you just want to make sure to add the shoes that you want to buy. So just select the shoes that you might want to buy, select its size, select its color, and select all of the details, and then basically you want to just tap the add to bag option here. Once you've added them to your bag, just go to the bag option from the bottom right next to the profile icon here. Then you'll be able to see all of the shoes or the products that you might have added from the Nike app that you might want to purchase. And then if you look here, also you have the price, and then you have the price. You can also select the number of quantities over here. Then once done, you can just tap the checkout option. Once you tap the checkout option, it'll ask you to verify with your Face ID here. So make sure to verify with your Face ID or anything else. Now it'll take you to the page where you can simply enter your delivery details. So make sure to enter the delivery details as well as the payment information. You can add a gift card, you can add a credit card, you can add PayPal, Klarna, promo code, or whatever else you prefer here. Or once done, just select a purchase summary, tap on submit payment, and then this product will be successfully ordered. This way you can buy shoes or order shoes on the Nike app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.